and Jamie Tait from Tait Real Estate. Today we're making the Rocket, brought to you by Pat Lewis. Thank you very much for
The
drink idea.
So during the game, of course, you're going to go with 016. That's no question. But before the game or during the celebration after, you want to fancy it up a little bit, get a little extra. We go with a combination of Smirnoff Ice and beer. So don't laugh. It's remarkably fresh. Right, well, at least I think it's remarkably fresh. Look at that, Jamie. And it's about half and half. Oh, and your buddies will not laugh at you after they've tasted it. It's got the Rough Rider glass. Cheers, here's to Dan Lewis. And of course the Riders.
Pat Lewis.
Pat Lewis, is it? Okay.
Cheers.
That's not bad. Oh my, that's good.